Welcome back. You're watching The Money Show, and it's time to get your portfolio queries answered. I have with me Abhijit Choksi from Stockify.in. Hi, Abhijit. Good evening and welcome to the show. We are connected by our first viewer as well. His name is Harry. Hi, Harry. Good evening. You're calling from?
I'm calling from Delhi.
All right. Okay, so you have 1 lakh to invest every month for next 12 months, and the return that you're expecting from this investment is almost 12 to 15%. And time horizon is 5 years is what you're looking at. And
5
for
to
that,
7.
you need 5 to 7 years. Okay. And okay, so you're confused between what kind of funds you should be investing this money in. And mid cap, small cap, definitely because of high PE is an area of concern for you. Okay, is there anything else you want to add, Harry, in this question, or we can go to Abhijit directly?
Just one thing, I'm very much open to mid-cap and small-cap investment. It's just that the P ratios like making me a little bit confused about it. Otherwise, it would have been fine. So yeah, answer on that would be great.
Okay, so let's figure that out. Abhijit?
Yeah, hi. So just to add, I'm not able to hear Harry's voice, but I do have his question. So I'll just brief him about two things. So first, his question was whether this is a good time to invest in small and mid cap stocks. So again, I would advise him to, rather than time, best is to do an SIP approach where you can divide your corpus into, let's say, one third would be in a large cap fund, one third in a mid cap, and other one third in a small cap fund. His time horizon is fairly reasonable. At least 5 to 7 years is something which we recommend to all of our clients to have at least that kind of horizon. And I would recommend him 4 funds which he should invest. That funds would be one would be ICICI Large Cap, SBI Mid Cap, Parag Parikh Flexi Cap, and one DSP Small Cap. If Kavita, if you can tell me any other questions if we had.
No, that's it. He was actually asking that, he was actually saying that he is comfortable with mid cap and small cap, but he doesn't know if it's the right time horizon for it. Is there anything else, Harry, you want to ask Abhijit? And if you can
Just
be
one
loud
thing,
slightly.
what would be the what would be the allocation percentage? In these 4 funds, allocation percentage.
Okay,
Would
what's
be
going to be the allocation percentage is what he's asking, Abhijit.
Yeah, so 25% in each of the funds. As I said, 25% would be in your large cap fund, 25% in a small, 25% mid, and in a flexi cap, you can invest the remaining amount. So you will have a well balanced portfolio going forward.
All right, thank you so much, Hari, for sending across your question. Let's take Dilip's question from Kolkata. He has an SIP of 4 funds with direct option. Whether these funds can be brought under Demat account recently opened under Sharekhan, and what will be the tax implication is what he's wanting to ask Abhijit.
Yeah, so definitely you can shift them to any Demat account. And as far as the tax implications are concerned, if the small tax, the small short-term capital gains is generally 15%. If he's withdrawing before 1 year, and for long term it would be 10%, which is same for the equities as well.
All right, time to sign off. Thank you so much, Abhijit, for being on the show and helping our viewers with their financial portfolio queries. And I'm going to leave our viewers with our WhatsApp number and email ID where they too can send across their questions and get expert advice on the show live. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.